Rusty, my fans. Each dog is actually doing his hair soon.
Yeah.
But he's waiting for the dad to come through. But YouTube's playing up a bit.
Yeah.
Because our likes, we did have 18 likes on both of our channels, but it only it moved down for some reason. We don't know if you're unliked or if YouTube's playing up again. Because if you go into some of my videos, there's only 2 likes on it. And I know there's more than 18. I mean more than 2 because I got an Instagram follower who keeps saying, yeah. So we are currently joined today by my 2 lovely friends, Mags and Belle. They are my dogs. Don't know how well you can see them, but they are my dogs. Hello, Eve Dogs fam.
Hello, Eve Dogs
And I just
family.
realised Eve Dogs just stood next to me. You could actually take one of these dogs because they're both very.
Which one?
You could take Belle. She's less strong.
Okay.
Well, I mean Belle is strong, but Maggie.
This doesn't work.
Sorry about that. The black. You would have thought the husky cross German Shepherd would be stronger, but no, the black Labrador is. I just realised I was filming the dog thinking it was the other way. Black Labrador here is stronger than the husky cross German Shepherd. I was going to go past the vote. Really? I'll pause the video here, guys. Pause the video. We're here to watch the win. I didn't expect getting demonetized, but I didn't hit hard. What I'm doing. That's third. Okay, right. Come on. I'm currently heading home because past home I was going to move, but we're slowly. I needed a video to upload today because I forgot to upload yesterday, and I forgot. It means I couldn't be out. I didn't say that. I'm back, guys. Don't bark. Barking's bad. Barking's for bad people. You're not a bad. You're not even a bad.
Barking for bad.
Are you recording stuff?
Yes.
Okay. I'm back, guys. Barking. So if you want to hear something stupid, like barking's for bad people, go to Eve Dog's channel to hear someone say that.
Yeah.
I definitely did not say that.
Nope.
I said barking's for bad pups. Fuck. Do you mind, mate? Yeah.
Keep going.
Come on. Don't try killing yourself. Watching this video, you're not stupid, I was just joking. No, you're still an idiot. You made it part of that video. But yeah, guys, it will be awkward because I'm actually using my arm to hold my phone this time instead of my actual, like, tripod. Belle, come on.
Yeah.
Stop sniffing.
Oh.
The reason I'm filming our face is just in case one of the dogs, you know, decides to release themselves. I don't really fancy editing it all out. So each dog has a lot of work to do if he catches one of the dogs.
Come on. I'm just.
Oh yeah, there's one thing I needed to tell you about Belle. She sniffs and pees like every 5 minutes. This dog does pees a lot. I'm back, guys. I forgot to pause it. Who cares? I just realised I bought like £6 worth of stuff from B&M, and I'm going to eat it when I get home because my house is directly in front of us. It's not directly in front of us. It's further down somewhere.
Somewhere down there.
Yeah. I just realised I showed. Luckily, it's my street. But if you're from this town we're from, you probably know where it is.
Yeah.
And if you're from my old school, you probably know where it is anyway. Everyone basically knows where I live in this town.
Yeah. Who lives in the UK?
So guys, me and Eve Dog actually came to the conclusion that he is dyeing his hair permanent red. As the comments in his video blew up with red, so he decided to ask me to comment permanent or not. So I decided to type in permanent red or non-permanent red. Permanent, like normal, permanent red. So Eve Dog's actually going permanent red. And a raindrop went in my ear.
Oh.
Yes, it is raining, guys. And girls. No, you can't, eh? You could have warned me earlier. Not back. I'm joking. I'm not. I never said anything. What did I say? But nothing. Haha. That should have been monetized.
I know. All I heard was rack.
I said rash.
Oh.
And I added, the male genitalia into it.
Yeah.
K-N-O-B. Say it. Like, no.
One Kenobi.
Obi-Wan Kenobi. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Star Wars. I'm actually wearing a Star Wars t-shirt now.
Yeah, I'm wearing a Star Wars Yoda t-shirt underneath this.
You're actually wearing Star Wars? That's embarrassing. Luckily you didn't show your shirt off.
No.
Two guys walking around with cameras. Walking around with cameras like this. I feel like one of them people you always laugh at. Oh god, it's my sister. Oh my bloody god, she's back. Why am I so zoomed in on my lip? Sorry about that.
I'm just filming this.
I got the dog. Boom, boom. It's raining. This is going to be a 6-minute video, so I'll probably add a game on the end of this.
Yeah, I
Because I'm
won't.
home. We're just going to play the 6-minute video.
Yeah.
I might not add a game, it depends how bored I am today.
Yeah, I'll be very boring.
So I have found a family member walking down to my level. Walking down the street. So now she's talking to the dog. That's haven't seen any of my family members before. My other family member is currently the one saying hi. Hi. Oh my god! Yeah, I'm sadly related to this one. So that's it for this episode. I hope you all enjoyed. You also comment right now. You can say subscribe, like, comment, and the bell button. Hope you all enjoy. Peace out. Be safe. Goodbye.